Hello to all Hydro community. So here's a guide on how to add liquidity of HYDRO-USDT pair into CoinEx AMM market. So first, open the CoinEx app, then click the exchange, this one, so at the bottom of the navigation bar. Then select a market. So example, I will select the HYDRO-USDT. So just search for HYDRO-USDT. Then click the liquidity pool. After clicking the liquidity pool, click the add button. Then at the add liquidity page, enter the amount of hydro you want to put on the liquidity pool. So example, I will put 1000 hydro. So make sure you have same amount of USDT of hydro. Then double check and click add, this one, click the add button. So after the above steps, so you can go back to your assets, this one, click assets, then search for the AMM, then click earnings, so that you can show all of your earnings. So that's how to add liquidity of HYDRO-USDT pair on CoinEx AMM market.